SPN, this is live from Dantata Bridge in Abuja, the Federal Capital Territory. We have said that we are going to lock down this place. I said it in the morning. You guys thought I was joking. I was going to join. Here I am. Today be my birthday. I'm so happy to be here. This is the best birthday party I've ever had. And honestly, I'm catching my groove. The party is here to start. It's not only Lekki alone. No. Yes, this is the best place to block in Abuja. Dantata Bridge. If you are coming from Galadimawa, we block you. Area 1, central area. Jabi Airport Road. Coming from airport, we block you. Those people traveling by air, many of them has missed their flight. It's a beautiful scene. We are enjoying it. Let them come and kill the whole youth. Nigeria will have to be better. At all costs, whatever it takes. Let them feel the heat. They never believe Abuja can be blocked like this. It's happening live. Youths are tired. They never believe this can happen. We had people who came with drone here and streaming it live. Yes.